Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a gateway to better opportunities, favorable loans, and insurance rates. As we recognize National Credit Education Month, Ashleigh Robinson with First Florida Credit Union joins us. So first of all, that's a thing, that there's a National Credit Education Month.
Right.
Second of all, it is a reason for us to get talking about some of the things that many of us don't like to discuss, Ashleigh.
Sure. So your credit score is really important for a lot of reasons. Obviously, like you said, shopping for a loan. If you're in the market for a new car, a new home, getting a credit card, of course you want your credit score to be high, help save you some money on that. But like you said, a lot of other places look at that. If you're going to rent a new apartment or get insurance, open some utilities, all of those folks look at your credit report to see if you're trustworthy and reliable. And so it's a great thing to keep an eye on and boost whenever you can.
Yeah, and unfortunately, if you have a bad credit score, it can cost you more money in the long run with some of these things where you have to apply for it because they're going to give you higher interest rates.
Right. And so your credit score is a range. That FICO score ranges from 300 up to 850. If you're falling in that 300 to 660 range, it is considered poor or fair. If you are in that place, probably you've missed some payments or been late on some payments to some loans you've had. Maybe you've had some other financial setbacks, a car repossession, foreclosure on a home, even bankruptcy. That stuff can stay with you for a while. But the good news is your credit bureaus get new information every single month. So every single month you have a new opportunity to boost your score or to develop better financial habits.
Okay, so let's talk about it. Obviously, we want to boost all those scores. What can you do for those better financial habits, Ashleigh?
It starts with just making payments on time every month as agreed. So your credit score, FICO score, is built on an algorithm, and payment history is the largest percentage of that algorithm. It's 35%. And so even if you are just trying outside of actually using a credit card to develop positive financial habits and paying off your bills on time every month as agreed, you are setting a great foundation for yourself to be successful when it comes to actually building your score.
Okay, so let's talk about some other ways maybe that you could build your score and boost it up. I mean, is it getting some sort of low risk credit card?
It's definitely an option. So on the market, there are products that are available that are credit builder products. First Florida has several. They're called secured credit cards or secured loans. And so what that really is you're setting your own money aside into an account and you're borrowing against yourself as opposed to a major lender or credit card issuer. And so it is safer, it's less risky, but your payment to those items, those secured cards, the secured loans, are still being reported to all the major bureaus.
Yeah.
So it's a less risky way to still build your credit history, build your payment history, and boost your credit score.
And practice that fiscal responsibility too, right? Because some people, credit cards get a little bit out of hand because they think they can just swipe, even if they don't have it in the bank.
It's all about developing the financial habits, those positive financial habits over time. And so those credit building products are a great opportunity to get those habits developed over time.
Okay, so finally, if somebody were to go into a credit union or a banking institution, what should they ask? What should they ask their financial experts?
Sure, so I would just say, start with laying out your situation so that they know where you're coming from. I'm new to credit or I'm rebuilding my credit. I've had bad or negative credit history and I'm trying to get started again, so that they know where you're coming from. And then they're going to be able to direct you to the appropriate resources. It might be working with a financial counselor that can help keep you accountable and making those payments and keeping your utilization on those kind of credit products low so that they're manageable. It may also be getting a secured credit card or a loan product that's going to be best fit for you. And so just laying it all out and being honest up front about where you're starting from is going to give them the best information to help give you the tools you need to be successful.
Transparency is key. Ashleigh Robinson with First Florida Credit Union. Thank you so much for coming on.
Thanks for having me.
And